I'm now on the 5th floor. As you come out the lift, these are the halls where the apartments are, and this is apartment 523. Just to give you an idea of the size and how they look. Come with the cabinets. There's enough space there. This is one of the larger flats for a double bed there. And you've got the ensuite kitchen as well, nicely furnished. And inside here should be a very large, if I put the light on, can't find the light switch. There we are. Got it. Nice ensuite bathroom, shower, toilet. And most importantly, the view from the studio is there. The building there on that side, and the building. So it's enclosed, it's on the inside, but all in all, that's the studio at X1.